Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Medical Hub. Today I am going to share it's a very important topic, communicable disease and their causative organism or agent. So now let's start. Before starting the video, if you like my video then please subscribe my channel and watch more videos and share with your friends. So now let's see. In humans, communicable disease caused by virus, bacteria, fungi and protozoa and other type of microorganism. And first one is the chickenpox. Chickenpox is its causative agent is varicella zoster virus. In this video, I had given only causative agent and their incubation period. So in chickenpox, its causative agent is varicella zoster virus and its incubation period for 14 to 16 days after exposure to a varicella. Incubation is the period when the microorganism enter in the body and shows the sign and symptom. It's a incubation period. So chickenpox incubation period is 14 to 16 days. Next one is the symptoms. Development of multiple itchy blisters all over the body. The blisters typically starts on the face and tongue before spreading, and the fluid-filled blisters eventually breaks open. The fluid leaks out and escapes foam. And its mode of transmission is droplet infection and droplet nuclei. And in chickenpox, there are its clinical manifestation shows in two phase, pre-eruptive phase and eruptive phase. In pre-eruptive phase, mild to moderate fever and backache, and in eruptive phase, appearance of rashes. Next one is the herpes. So herpes, causative agent of herpes simplex virus. Herpes is two types. Herpes simplex, H1 virus, herpes simplex virus first cause of cold, cold sores, and next one is the herpes simplex virus 2. It causes the genital herpes. Next one is the AIDS or acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. It's a sexually transmitted disease and its causative agent is HIV or human immunodeficiency virus, and its incubation period is few months to 10 years. Its incubation period is long time, so few months to 10 years. Next one is the hepatitis B. So first one is the hepatitis is the inflammation of the liver, and it's caused by the exposure to toxins, alcohol misuse and immune disease or infection. And the causative agent of hepatitis B is hepatitis B virus, and its incubation period is 30 to 180 days. Next one is the smallpox. In smallpox, causative virus is variola virus. These are the viral infections. So smallpox, its causative agent is variola virus, and its incubation period is 7 to 17 days. Next is the chikungunya. Chikungunya virus, agent of chikungunya fever. Chikungunya is relatively rare form of viral fever caused by alpha virus. Alpha virus is spread by the mosquito bites from Aedes aegypti mosquito, and its incubation period is 4 to 7 days. Next one is the measles. Measles, also known as the rubeola. So its a causative agent is paramyxovirus, and paramyxovirus is a RNA type of virus. Virus is two types, DNA virus and RNA virus, and so measles virus is RNA virus, and its causative agent is paramyxovirus, and measles also known as the rubeola, and its incubation period is 10 to 14 days. Next one is the SARS or severe acute respiratory syndrome is a serious form of pneumonia. SARS is a serious form of pneumonia, and it's caused by virus that was first identified in 2003. Infection with the SARS virus causes acute respiratory distress. In acute respiratory distress, severe breathing difficulty and sometimes death may occur. And SARS or a serious type of pneumonia incubation period is 2 to 7 days. Next question. Next one is the mumps. In mumps, causative agent is myxovirus parotiditis. Myxovirus parotiditis. Myxovirus is also a RNA virus, and its incubation period is 14 to 18 days, and its mode of transmission is droplet infection. And in the mumps, clinical features showing in pain and swelling in either one or both side of parotid gland, and earache, fever, headache, and pain and stiffness on opening the mouth. These are the symptoms of mumps. Next one is the rubella. Rubella causative agent is Toga virus. And Toga virus is also RNA virus, and its incubation period is 2 to 3 weeks. Next one is the rabies. Causative agent of rabies is Lysa virus type 1, genes of Rhabdoviridae family. These viruses are enveloped and have a single strand RNA. In some time of questions asked the Lysa virus type, which type of RNA virus? So answer is single stranded RNA virus. And rabies incubation period is 3 to 8 weeks. Next one is the dengue. Dengue causative agent is dengue virus, flavivirus, and its incubation period is 3 to 10 days. Next one is the swine flu. Swine flu causative agent is influenza A H1N1 virus, and its incubation period is 1 to 4 days. Influenza and swine flu both are different. So swine flu causative agent is influenza A H1N1 virus, and incubation period is 1 to 4 days. Next one is the poliomyelitis. In poliomyelitis, causative agent is polio virus. In polio virus, 3 types of virus there. Polio virus type 1, 2nd, and 3rd. And most type of paralytic polio occurs due to the type 1 polio virus, and its incubation period is 1 to 2 week or 7 to 14 days. And mode of transmission of poliomyelitis is fecal oral route. It's a main route, and next one is the droplet infection. So these two are the mode of transmission of poliomyelitis. Next one is the influenza. In influenza, causative agent is influenza virus or orthomyxovirus, and its incubation period is 18 to 72 hours. Next one is the hepatitis A. Causative agent of hepatitis A is picorna virus. Hepatitis A virus is also known as the picorna virus, and its incubation period is 14 to 42 days. Next is the diphtheria. In diphtheria, causative agent is Corynebacterium diphtheria, and its causative agent is Corynebacterium diphtheria, and incubation period is 2 to 5 days. And the diphtheria mode of transmission is droplet infection, and from infected cutaneous lesions. And diphtheria shows the many type of sign and symptoms. Preferred symptoms is sore throat, dyspnea, headache, anorexia, formation of grayish yellow membrane over tonsil and throat, and fever and toxemia also occurs in the diphtheria. And the prevention and control of diphtheria is DPT vaccine, DT vaccine, and diphtheria antitoxin. These are the preventive and control measures of diphtheria. Next one is the pertussis. Pertussis is also known as the whooping cough, and pertussis causative agent is Bordetella pertussis. And its incubation period is 1 to 2 weeks. So it's a pertussis. Next one is the tetanus. Tetanus is also known as the lockjaw, and its causative agent is Clostridium tetani, and its incubation period is 5 to 10 days. And it's a main symptom that is also asked in the many type of competitive exams. What is the trismus or locked jaw? So it's a main symptom of tetanus, trismus or locked jaw. In trismus, painful paroxysmal spasm of the masseter's muscles in terminus, trismus or lockjaw. And rhizus sardonicus. These are the symptoms of tetanus. And the prevention and control of tetanus is DPT vaccine, DT vaccine, TT vaccine, and many type of drugs is used in the tetanus. Next one is the tuberculosis. Tuberculosis causative agent is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It's Mycobacterium tuberculosis is a acid fast bacilli, and its incubation period of 3 to 6 weeks, maybe up to years. So it's a tuberculosis, and its a mode of transmission is droplet infection, droplet nuclei, and by infected articles. And the clinical symptoms of tuberculosis is mild fever, cough, present for more than 3 weeks, chest pain, weight loss, and hemoptysis and hemoptysis. These are the main symptoms of tuberculosis. And the prevention of tuberculosis is first one is the BCG vaccine that given at the birth time, 0.05 ml intradermal. It's given by the intradermal route. Next one is the cholera. In cholera, its a causative agent is Vibrio cholera, and its incubation period is 1 to 2 days, and its a mode of transmission is via fecally contaminated water, contaminated food and drinks, and person to person transmission through contaminated fingers. These are the mode of transmission of cholera. And clinical manifestation of cholera is acute severe diarrhea or rice water stool. In some time of exams, ask the what is the rice water stool and which is the symptoms of which disease. So right answer is cholera. So acute severe diarrhea or rice water stool present in the cholera. Vomiting, sun can eyes, these are the symptoms of cholera. Next one is the meningitis. Meningitis is also known as the inflammation of the Mannings or brain and spinal layers. So it's a causative agent of meningitis is Neisseria meningitidis, and its incubation period is 3 to 4 days. Next one is the enteric fever. Enteric fever causative agent is Salmonella typhi and Paratyphi, and its incubation period is 1 to 2 weeks. Next one is the malaria. Malaria, it's a protozoal infection, and its causative agent is Plasmodium. Plasmodium there are 4 species: Plasmodium ovale, vivax, malariae, and falciparum. Next one is the leprosy. Causative agent of leprosy is Mycobacterium lepra. And in malaria, incubation period is 10 to 14 days. In malaria, 3 types of stage occur: cold stage, hot stage, and sweating stage. So these are the stage of malaria, and its incubation period is 10 to 14 days. Next one is the leprosy. Leprosy caused by the Mycobacterium lepra, and its incubation period is 3 to 5 years or more. Next one is the syphilis. Syphilis causative agent is Trypnoma pallidum, and its incubation period is 10 to 19 days. These are the syphilis incubation period. Next one is the gonorrhea. Gonorrhea causative agent is Neisseria gonorrhea. These are the sexually transmitted disease, syphilis and gonorrhea both, and its causative agent is Neisseria gonorrhea, and its incubation period is 2 to 5 days. Next one is the trachoma. Trachoma is the disease of eyes, and its causative agent is Chlamydia trachomatis, and its incubation period is 5 to 10 days. Next one is the plague. Plague, its a causative agent is Yersinia pestis. Next is the anthrax. Anthrax causative agent is Bacillus anthracis, and it is transmitted through the consumption of contaminated animal products, and its incubation period is 1 to 7 days. Next one is the Q fever. Q fever caused by the Coxiella bruneti, and its incubation period is 2 to 3 weeks. Next one is the botulism. Botulism causative agent is Clostridium botulism and transmitted primarily by the ingestion of food contaminated with a preformed toxin produced by Clostridium botulism, and it is also transmitted by the inhalation form, has been developed especially as a biological agent, and it's a clinical manifestation. That means botulism clinical manifestation is a blood or double vision, slurred speech, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and descending muscle weakness is the symptoms of botulism. Thank you for watching this video.